Hi everyone, today I am sharing you another winning recipe that you will love. It's so easy to make, very quick and very delicious. You will thank me later, I promise. And you will share this with your family and friends. So only 4 ingredients. That's been my what I'm doing since the beginning, just 2 or 3 or 4 ingredients. So it's easy to make, and I'll put a recipe down below for reference. So we start with string beans, about half a pound. Oh, I just want to thank Jeff, my daughter's fiance, for this beautiful Taylor weighing scale. It's really good and great quality. So make sure you destring and wash your beans before cooking. Then we have the sesame seeds, and make sure it's toasted. That's the key for this recipe to be successful. That's toasted sesame seeds. Then maple syrup, and this magic ingredient, the liquid aminos, instead of using soy sauce or tamari. Tamari is a great alternative, also healthier alternative for soy sauce, but my choice is liquid aminos. So these are all the ingredients, and we are ready to cook. So in a pot, boil water, then we'll put the beans. We'll cook it for, I would say, like 5-7 minutes, just enough that it's tender but still crisp without squeaking between your teeth when you chew them. You can steam it too, but I like it this way. This is just about ready. This is cooked. After the beans are cooked, make sure to drain it well so there's not it will not be watery when you add the mixtures later. Next step is to grind the sesame seeds, the toasted sesame seeds, in a blender, or mine I'll put it into my NutriBullet. Pulse it just 1 or 2 times just to break it down to get the full aroma, and it really is the key for this recipe to be very delicious. After grinding the sesame seeds, you now can add the maple syrup and the liquid aminos. Combine it well, mix it well. Then you are ready to add it to your beans. Pour it to the string beans and combine well, mix it well. Now we're ready to plate it and taste it. And this is the finished product, delicious sesame string beans. And by the way, guys, you can also use this mixture to put on your broccoli or other vegetables. It can work. I did it with the broccoli. It's delicious too. So enjoy it and let me know what you think in the comments, and share it with your family and friends. Take care, everybody. Keep cooking and be inspired.